Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Racist Diary, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for sharing, commenting, and liking on my YouTube channel. I do appreciate. All right, today we're gonna be talking about something quite different from what we used to talk about. We're gonna be talking about how to cook something very important, and that's how I make my Gizdodo. Cooking is an experiment. You use different recipes, different methods. So I'm going to be showing you how I made, or rather how I make my own Gizdodo. Nigerian food is so lovely. All right guys, so just sit back and enjoy the whole experiment, okay? And don't stop supporting me, and don't stop liking and commenting. All right guys. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make Gizdodo. As you can see on this video, you see the diced potato, the diced plantain, semi-ripe plantain, diced spinach. You can see the gizzard, the tomato. I also use cabbage, the green pepper, the yellow pepper. All these are the main ingredients to prepare this Gizdodo. Right. So here you just pour in your sliced plantain into the hot oil. Okay, just stir it at interval. You keep stirring and making sure that is frying evenly, because you don't want some part to be burnt and others are still in the process of getting done. All right, so as time goes by, after some minutes you check again, because if you leave it for some time, for a long time, without stirring, one part will get burnt while the whole thing is not cooked yet. So you see how I'm stirring it. Yeah, it's not easy to cook, to be honest. Cooking is a process, and you need to have endurance and patience for you to cook well. So that's how it's going at the moment. Now, as you can see, the whole plantain is brown, is well cooked now, and it's ready to dish them out. So you can see that I used tissue paper as an absorbent, because there's still oil on this. So use tissue paper to absorb the oil, because you don't want so much oil because of fat, and try and use groundnut oil that has low cholesterol. Yeah, it helps to reduce fat and all that. You see, and gradually just take out the fried dodo, the fried plantain, the fried semi-ripe plantain. So I don't use the ripe plantain because it's gonna be too soft. I didn't use the hard one. I used semi-ripe, so it's still hard, but it's not that too hard. You see how beautiful this looks? So yummy. It looks so attractive, and you can just start munching it, like so make it to be crunchy. So that's why I use semi-ripe plantain. All right, you see how beautiful it is. So it's time to pour your sliced potato. This is Irish potato. Okay, and you keep stirring it as well, the same way we did with the plantain, making sure that it is frying evenly for it to cook properly. Don't just allow it to stay for a long time before you stir it. This is oil, and you need to be stirring and stirring and stirring. All right guys, now I love food so much, so come back again after like 3 minutes or so. You stir again. Yeah, food is something I love cooking, and it's something I love eating. One thing is to love to cook, another thing is to know how to eat. So I love to cook, I also love to eat. Okay guys, so I keep stirring it. You can see, then it's drying. Try and make it crunchy. I love my potato crunchy, since it's sliced in this form, like in cube form. I love it crunchy. It makes it so yummy when you're eating it. Also, I put the tissue paper as well, in order to absorb the oil. Yeah, you don't want to fry potato and it's too oily, and you're trying to make some sauce with it. So it's time to dish it out on the plate where we wait. All right, you can see how it's going. Like, so you can try anything you want to try. Cooking is an experiment. Like I keep telling my friends, it's an experiment. Just do the thing you want to do, how you want to do it, and it comes out beautiful. You can see the Gizdodo, the dodo, sorry, is ready. The potato is ready. Like everything is, you can start munching it as snack, but we are not making snack, we're making food. Okay, guys, it's time to pour the gizzard. All right. So, guys, one advice I will give you is when you're frying this, I will give it an arm's length. All right, because sometimes it splashes. The water inside it just splashes, and the oil might burn your skin. So give it an arm's length. As you can see here, I was stirring it pot with an arm's length. I didn't want to get so close before I get some burns from the oil. Alright guys, so check very well. It's not kind of crunchy. I like it brown, and it's time to dish it out on the plate. Also, again, I use the tissue paper. You can use translucent paper. There are a lot of paper towels you can buy, but this is what I had, so I had to make use of what I had. You can see, oh, this is so yummy. All right, let's go to the next phase of this, and it's time to pour in our diced tomatoes and fresh pepper. Yeah, just yes, guys. So when you pour it, make sure it's on hot frying pan, hot oil, whichever, and then you stir it properly. Okay, so make sure it's stirred evenly. Then you allow it to cook for some time. You cover the pot for like 2 or 3 minutes, depending the quantity. And then you open it again, and it's here. Oh, I can't wait to munch this food. It's becoming so yummy and yummy. Okay. So at this point now, you pour your diced cabbage, the green pepper, yellow pepper, and then you stir. You see, the sauce is looking so nice already. So you just keep continuing doing that. After that, the next thing we're gonna do is we just put in the curry powder, just a little bit. All these ingredients are to test. To test means you put a little bit. Here is our knock Maggi cube one. You just put it inside, then put your salt, pinch of salt. Just don't forget that they are all to test. What this means is you just put a little bit of it, then and keep testing to your desired taste. Then you stir it again. Alright, guys. Okay, so after stirring and stirring and stirring, making sure that they are evenly distributed, the ingredients, then the next thing you do is you cover it and allow it to steam for some time. Alright guys, I'm back again. I've opened it. Oh, we see steaming, it's boiling. So at this point now, the vegetables are cooked a little bit, so I now pour in my spinach. Alright, so here's my dust spinach. I love vegetables a lot. Growing up, my mom used to cook a lot of vegetable soup for us, and even a lot of things she prepares with vegetable. Guys, now you have to pour 1 tablespoonful of grinded crayfish just to give it a little bit good taste, And after that, you pour in your sliced onion. I don't like my onion too big. I like it very small. Sometimes I even had to blend it. Okay, so you keep stirring. It just depends on your choice. Some people like their onion very big. Then you pour in the fried gizzard. Oh, it's getting ready, guys. We are getting there gradually. All right, so you keep stirring it very, very well. Make sure it's evenly stirred, so that all the ingredients will be distributed accordingly. After which you now cover it again. So when you cover it at this point, you allow it to steam for some time. Like, ooh, it's really, 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 really getting ready, guys. All right, so you just stir it more and check. Make sure that it's not too cooked because of the vegetable. You just want it to be a little bit crunchy. You don't want your vegetables to be so soft. Oh no, I don't like it so soft. Okay, so it's done right now, guys. It's done. Okay, you can see. Oh, this is my dodo, my fried potato and the geese sauce, you can say, is so lovely, guys. Like, I can't wait to munch this. Like, you can serve it with something chilled, and it's very nutritious. Like, you've got the carbohydrates, you've got the minerals, you've got the vegetables, you've got the protein, everything inside it, and your food is served, guys. Look at how beautiful this looks like. You can see. So yeah, my food is ready, guys. So I was able to dish out 5 plates. One instant I'm gonna eat, and the rest I'm gonna stock in the fridge for like, yeah, 2 days. So when you do this, don't keep it for a long time because of the vegetables. All right, guys. So our food is ready. Look at how yummy this looks. Look at how yummy this looks, guys. Isn't this amazing? So, just tell me what you think on the comments below. Tell me how you prepare your own Gizdodo. Or maybe you can share your own recipe with me. Maybe I can try it out, because I said food is an experiment. When you cook it, people have their own ways, people have their own recipes, they do things in different ways. All right, guys. So thank you so much, and have fun. Bye bye.